Hi there, it's Wednesday, this is the Biz Lounge. I'm Mark. The FTSE 100 really a bit listless these days, sticking around the 7,300 level, can't seem to break free. Earlier it was up just a tenth of 1% at 7,292. Now, support services giant Carillion's shares are up 17% this morning on rumours that a buyer may be circling the company, a Middle East buyer. Now, I own shares in the company, so keeping a close eye on that for developments. Boohoo is another stock I own, had a strong set of half-year numbers out today, beating expectations, also raised its full-year outlook. The shares though, well, they've dived about 8% to £2.36. I think there's only be a bit of profit taking, so I'm sticking with this well-run growth company for now. But my stock in focus today is an interesting one. A few months ago, I came in for some pretty nasty stick and abuse when I commented on a fracking firm. 88 Energy was the name of the company. I said I wasn't a fan because too many oil and gas producers like it had gone to the wall recently, taking lots of small investors' money with them. Now, some of the abuse that I received was just plain wrong. And as it turns out, well, I was right not to buy the shares back then. They were trading at about 4p. And this is because since then, the shares have really bombed and they now sit at around 1 penny each. That's a fall of around 75%. Now, the reason is that the firm, which has wells in Alaska, has had some problems getting its fracking machines to release the estimated billions of barrels of oil that are supposedly hidden beneath the permafrost. So what it's done is it's shut the well down for the winter. Now that means investors are going to have to wait until next year to see if anything exciting happens from further fracks. But given the huge fall in the shares over the last few months, and bearing in mind they are still up hugely since the start of the year, I am beginning to wonder if this might just be a highly speculative bet at a more acceptable price. Always good to keep an open mind. Things do change in investing all the time. Let me know what you think. Big boss time, and well, if you fancy the top job at the controversial taxi hailing app company that's just been banned from operating in London, you all read about it, then get your CV out because Uber is looking for a new UK chairman. Now, I hope they find a worthy candidate because I was quite impressed to read that Uber had apologised for its mistakes and committed itself to trying to become a better corporate citizen. In my opinion, not enough corporate people say sorry these days for doing wrong. So well done, Uber. This could be the start of a turnaround, and it does show that the company is maturing as a business. Always darkest before the dawn, eh? That's it. I'll see you next week.